back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 12th to the 14th of May 2025. On Monday, Sibongile makes a sacrifice. The helpers at the Dlamini house clash over something borrowed that could now be lost or stolen on Tuesday. Velepi recalls Samge with the personal questions from her past. The helpers are not sure if there is a thief or a prankster in the house on Wednesday. Gcina crosses a line she will never uncross. Samge subtly planned an idea in Vuma's mind. The Dlamini helpers are eager to find the culprit. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.